Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today I'm going to show you a 71 GMC C20. What's really cool about it, it's got that extra 6 foot on the box, or 6 foot 6 inches, because you can see 133 is, and that makes it a camper special, camper wiring. They're called the Longhorn Edition. So paint on it's decent. I just call it an average driver quality. Pretty solid truck, not a lot of flaws anywhere. They did do the bottom in bedliner. Like there's a little bubble right there and a little bubble right there. I don't think it's real rusty underneath there from what I can see. There's your extra chunk of your box. I don't know if this was black at one time and faded to blue, or if they just put a blue seat in here. Looks like just a blue seat. 4-speed, they got a CD player, just your Stanley. Does got a tilt wheel. Interior's decent though, no issues. Box is in good shape. These tires, gonna need some tires on it. You can see they're cracking, just some older aluminum wheels. I assume that might be, they might probably had a plate in it at one time, probably bolt with it maybe. And back in the old days when you use these trucks to use them. Aftermarket tailgate because there's no markings on it. So nice driver quality, really cool truck. There's not a lot of little scratch or been touched up, chip been touched up. Not a lot of Longhorns around. So really kind of a neat old truck. Not a lot of money and definitely unique. So any questions? 605-695-7391.